Namaste, viewers. Today, we embark on an exciting journey aboard the Pune to Kolhapur train, exploring the hidden gems and fascinating facts along the way. Join me as we discover the charm of this scenic railway route. Historical introduction. The Pune to Kolhapur train route has a rich history dating back to the British colonial era. Originally built to facilitate trade and transportation between the two cities, this railway has evolved into a lifeline for commuters, tourists, and traders alike. Scenic beauty. As we journey through the picturesque landscapes of western India, passengers are treated to breathtaking views of rolling hills, lush greenery, and winding rivers. The Pune to Kolhapur train offers a front-row seat to the natural beauty of Maharashtra's countryside. Cultural diversity. One of the highlights of traveling by train in India is the opportunity to interact with people from diverse backgrounds. On board the Pune to Kolhapur train, passengers can experience the rich tapestry of Indian culture, language, and cuisine. Hidden gems. Did you know that the Pune to Kolhapur train route passes by several hidden gems and lesser-known attractions? From historic temples and scenic viewpoints to quaint villages and local markets, there's so much to discover along the way. Culinary delights. No journey in India is complete without indulging in some mouth-watering street food. As we make our way from Pune to Kolhapur, be sure to sample some of the region's culinary specialties, from spicy vada pav to creamy misal pav. Railway heritage. To learn more about the history and heritage of the Pune to Kolhapur Railway, we're stopping by the local railway museum. Here, visitors can explore vintage locomotives, historic photographs, and interactive exhibits that showcase the evolution of rail travel in India. Wildlife encounters. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife sightings as we traverse through Maharashtra's countryside. From grazing cattle and colorful birds to occasional glimpses of deer and monkeys, the Pune to Kolhapur train journey offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature. Modern amenities. While the Pune to Kolhapur train celebrates its rich heritage, it also offers modern amenities and comforts for today's travelers. From air-conditioned coaches and onboard catering services to Wi-Fi connectivity and charging points, passengers can enjoy a comfortable journey from start to finish. Community connections. At every station along the Pune to Kolhapur route, we encounter friendly faces and warm hospitality. Whether it's sharing a cup of chai with vendors on the platform or chatting with fellow passengers about their travel experiences, the sense of community on Indian trains is truly heartwarming. Historical significance. The Pune to Kolhapur train route has played a significant role in Maharashtra's history, facilitating trade, cultural exchange, and connectivity between the two cities. Its development has contributed to the economic growth and development of the region over the years. Industrial connections. The Pune to Kolhapur railway route serves as a vital link for industries and businesses, facilitating the transportation of goods and raw materials between manufacturing hubs and commercial centers. Its role in supporting Maharashtra's industrial growth cannot be overstated. Religious pilgrimages. For centuries, the Pune to Kolhapur railway has been a popular choice for pilgrims traveling to religious sites and shrines in both cities. Whether it's seeking blessings at temples, mosques, or churches, passengers of all faiths find solace and spirituality in their journey. Medical evacuations. In times of medical emergencies, the Pune to Kolhapur railway serves as a lifeline, transporting patients and medical personnel to hospitals and healthcare facilities in Kolhapur and Pune. Its role in providing access to critical healthcare services cannot be understated. Environmental conservation. Efforts are underway to promote environmental conservation along the Pune to Kolhapur railway route, including tree plantation drives, waste management initiatives, and biodiversity conservation projects. By promoting sustainable practices, the railway aims to protect Maharashtra's natural heritage for future generations. Artisanal crafts. The towns and villages along the Pune to Kolhapur route are known for their rich tradition of artisanal crafts, including pottery, weaving, and metalwork. Passengers can support local artisans by purchasing handmade souvenirs and handicrafts at station markets along the way. Inter-city celebrations. The Pune to Kolhapur train route becomes a festive thoroughfare during major cultural and religious celebrations, with passengers sharing sweets, music, and camaraderie on board. Whether it's Diwali, Eid, or Ganesh Chaturthi, the railway journey becomes a joyful celebration of India's diverse cultural tapestry. Architectural marvels. Along the Pune to Kolhapur railway route, travelers can marvel at the architectural splendor of historical railway stations and heritage buildings. From colonial-era structures to modern railway terminals, each station tells a story of Maharashtra's railway heritage and architectural legacy. Community initiatives. Local communities along the Pune to Kolhapur railway route are actively involved in initiatives to promote tourism, heritage conservation, and sustainable development. Through community-led projects and partnerships, these efforts aim to empower residents and preserve the unique heritage of Maharashtra's countryside. Agricultural innovation. The fertile lands surrounding the Pune to Kolhapur railway route are home to innovative farming practices and agricultural techniques. From organic farming and crop rotation to water conservation and agroforestry, farmers are leading the way in sustainable agriculture and food production. Tribal heritage. Indigenous tribes and communities have inhabited the regions along the Pune to Kolhapur railway route for centuries, preserving their unique traditions, languages, and cultural heritage. The railway journey offers glimpses into the rich tribal cultures and customs of Maharashtra's hinterlands. Railway folklore. Railway folklore and legends abound along the Pune to Kolhapur route, with stories of haunted tunnels, ghostly sightings, and mysterious incidents passed down through generations. These tales add an element of mystery and intrigue to the railway journey, sparking the imagination of passengers. Sporting events. Sports enthusiasts traveling on the Pune to Kolhapur train often participate in or attend sporting events held in both cities. From cricket matches and football tournaments to athletic meets and marathons, these events showcase Maharashtra's passion for sports and athleticism. Humanitarian efforts. During times of crisis and disaster, the Pune to Kolhapur Railway plays a vital role in transporting relief supplies, medical aid, and humanitarian assistance to affected communities. The railway serves as a lifeline, bringing hope and support to those in need across Maharashtra. Railway Heritage Museums. Railway heritage museums along the Pune to Kolhapur route showcase artifacts, photographs, and memorabilia that document the evolution of rail travel in Maharashtra. Visitors can learn about the pioneering locomotives, historic milestones, and technological innovations that shaped the state's railway history. Folk music performances. On board the Pune to Kolhapur train, passengers are treated to impromptu performances by local musicians and folk artists, who serenade travelers with traditional songs and melodies. These musical interludes add to the cultural ambiance of the journey, fostering a sense of camaraderie among passengers. Tribal artisan markets. At railway stations along the Pune to Kolhapur route, travelers can shop for unique handicrafts and artisanal products made by local tribal communities. These markets provide a platform for tribal artisans to showcase their traditional craftsmanship and generate sustainable livelihoods. As our journey aboard the Pune to Kolhapur train comes to an end, I'm filled with gratitude for the unforgettable experiences and memories shared along the way. From the scenic beauty of Maharashtra's countryside to the warmth of its people, this railway journey has been nothing short of magical. Until next time, happy travels and Jai Maharashtra.